Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about data structure, another data structure problem published on Hackerrank, which is sparse arrays. So, as you can see, there are two things. First line represents a string list and queries. So these two are the strings which we have to deal with. The first one, the inputs are the first line contains an integer n, where n is the size of a string list. So this is our string list ABA, BABA, ABA, XZ, XB. And we have the second thing is Q, represents the query string. So the string which searches the elements inside the string list. So we can see this is our query string. So the first line represents the length of the string list. Second line will be the consecutive elements of the string list. Like here in this case, we have the 4 as the n, and ABA, BABA, ABA, XZ, XB are the elements of the string list. And the second line, which is basically Q is the length of the query string. Query string represents ABA, XZ, XB, AB, and AB. What we have to do, we have to find out the number of occurrences of elements in the string list. So let's say we have an element ABA. Now in our string list we have one ABA, so it will print output will be 2, and the second element like XZXB is only 1, occurred only 1, so that's why the output will be 1. And AB, there is no any occurrences of AB, that's why it will be 0. That's why you can see the sample output as 2, 1 and 0. This is the problem this we are going to solve. So the algorithm will look like this is our algorithm. So in this, first we in the our matching strings functions, which is in the Hackerrank website, on the Hackerrank website, we'll first create a loop which will contain the size of query string array. So we will traverse from, let's say we have 3 elements in query string, then we will traverse through 1 to 3, and then we will declare a variable which just inside the loop of query string as 0 and initialize to 0. So when we are counting something, so I generally declare this variable as name as count and initialize to 0, and then we will again start a loop which will traverse through the string list, and inside that loop we will find out if the query string array element matches the string array element, then our variable count will increment by 1 unit. Otherwise it will continue looping inside the until it reaches the last of the string list. And after completing all the elements